Take a ride in the 2022 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.